Hello and welcome to Marley. My name is Mark and I'll guide you through how to quickly set up your boat on the Marley platform. Marley helps sailors keep track of the systems and inventory of their vessels. We all know boats need a lot of maintenance and Marley is here to help you stay organised. After you register your account, you'll see this screen prompting you to add your first vessel. Let's go ahead and do that. I have an X79 from 1980 and I'm going to name it Xena. We're actively updating our database, so if you're lucky, your boat model will already be known to us and you can just fetch the basic properties. Otherwise, you can fill in the details yourself. I set Kastrup as my home port and I'll just click Use My Location for the current boat's location. For Danish sailors, you can pull the measurement certificate info from WebSiler here. I'll skip it for now, but it's quite useful for getting your sail dimensions and more. Okay, I'll hit Save Vessel Metadata and move on to adding some systems. In Marley, a boat consists of systems, systems consist of components, and components have parts. This architecture is good to keep in mind when working with Marley. For this demo, I'll just add a propulsion system. You can come back to this menu later and add more. It's quite simple. In the propulsion system, I'll add an engine. My X79 has an outboard Honda model BF5 installed in 2024. The last inspection and service were done a month ago. And done. Remember to hit Complete System, then Continue, then Save Configuration, and that's it. Now, if you have a layout plan for your specific boat, you can upload it here. For now, I'll just use the default. In System Placements, I can position the system on the boat layout, then Save Placements. That's it. Head to the fleet dashboard and you'll see your boat with its propulsion system fully onboarded. Go ahead and add a nice photo to the vessel card. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks everyone, and happy sailing.